I am using Love Nature facial kit from Oriflame. Okay, the first step is to cleanse your face. You can use any of your cleanser which is available at your home. The main reason of using cleanser on first step of massage is because cleansing helps removes excess oil, dirt from our skin, and also it refresh your skin. Just massage it for 2 to 3 minutes gently as I am showing. And wiping off my face with a wet clean towel. The second step is scrubbing. Scrubbing keeps our skin clean. It helps in removing our dead cells and adding glow to our skin, and it smoothens our skin. It also helps in brightening our skin. I am just massaging gently without putting too much pressure, using gentle stroke, and I am focusing more on my nose area and chin area because that is where I have blackheads and whiteheads. It is good enough to scrub for 3 to 4 minutes gently as I am showing. Wiping off my face with a wet, clean towel. After wiping off the scrub, I dip my face towel in a warm water and just pressing it to my face, nose and chin area so that it will soften off the dead skin. This step is beneficial for those who have blackheads and whiteheads. It is going to be more easier to extract it. This helps in giving a clean feeling in the area where you have clogged pores. I am just putting a little pressure on it, but be gentle. You can also skip these steps if you don't have blackheads and whiteheads. Now wiping off by a clean towel. I'm going to do massage by applying massage cream gently all over my face. It helps in promoting healthy skin while relaxing facial muscles. It rejuvenates our skin by helping our skin feel better. Massage for 10 to 15 minutes. I am just doing simple massage stroke so that it will be easier to follow up. This step is good and beneficial for those who have sinus problem. Gently massaging the eye area by clockwise and anti-clockwise. Adding few drops of water and massage it again. Massage gently to relax the eye area and by tapping gently. And massage the neck area as I am showing. This step helps for those who get headache often. After massaging for 10 to 15 minutes, I am just wiping off again with a wet towel. The fourth step is face mask. Applying the face mask all over face gently. It refines the pores on our skin. It also brings moisture to our skin, reduce fine lines, gives even skin tone, and tighten our skin. After 10 to 15 minutes, I am just wiping off with a wet towel. Apply any of your face toner by just tapping it for a few seconds, and the last step is to apply a good moisturizer to get a glowing and healthy skin.